Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to merge layers in Inkscape. So if you want to do it, we need to go to the left upper corner and click on layer. Then we need to go to layers and objects, and now you will see here a list of all available layers. And now we need to add any text or object to this layer, so I will click on text tool and I click somewhere in the page. Now I type any kind of text, so for example I will type here text. And like you see, this text have been successfully added to layer 1. But of course in this video we would like to merge layers, so I click on this one button. It will allow me to add another one layer. Of course you can type here name of new layer and then you can click add. A new layer has been successfully created here, and now you can add an object to this one layer, so I click on rectangle tool and I create here a new object. And of course this object has been successfully added here. So if we want now to merge layers, we need to move objects and text from layer 2 to layer 1. To do it, we need to click right mouse button on object that we want to move. Then we go to move to layer and we select here layer 1. Now we click move button and object has been successfully moved to another one layer. Of course, the same action you need to repeat for any other text and objects from layer 2. And if the layer 2 will be empty, you need to click right mouse button on it and then you need to click delete layer. And like you see, our layers have been successfully merged. And that's everything in this video. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. And that's all. Thank you for watching.